All right, we're currently trying a new experiment. Designing our own lighted sign here. The first one came out really good. First test run. Probably one of the best models yet. My great nephew, who was just born last night. Anyways, we've been trying to make a nice one. So we added, this is our first run with translucent PETG, separating these parts. There's two parts. There's the base, separated at that line. There's a base and then second base. So it goes something like this. So here's the model in Fusion 360. The face on it. I didn't change any of the colors. Just kept it all red for now. Just seeing if it'll all fit together, Ordered some LED noodle lights from China. So I shut the face off, right? And maybe we'll try and recreate this whole process again. Hold off. So this fits in to the main base pretty nice. This lip, and the face comes in and hits that lip. So in between these two, I printed them in place, but to help them separate, right? I took the main base and I added an extruded layer right there, which should look something like this. These will be 0.2 millimeter translucent PETG to separate the two halves. So hopefully they will pull apart. Okay. But we'll see. We'll see in about an hour if that works. Okay. All right, my PETG experiment is on. Let's see, we get a close up. It's Grayson shell with the back, the base, the bottom of the bottom / base. I'm tired. We're about to shut it down for the night. All right, anyway, the Grayson shell, I printed in place, but it's two separate pieces that I separated by 0.2 millimeters of translucent PETG. So hopefully the PLA separates real nice right there. It's got zero infill, so there's a good possibility I'm gonna break it. Oh, dude, that came apart awesome. I guess we gotta clean off some of the PETG filament. But then it should go back together like a glove. Take the back off, put the wires in it, and the lights, and put it back on again. It's a little loose. Maybe, I don't know, I might like it all in one piece. We'll see what it's like when I get that PETG scraped off of there. See, this is the face plate. There's a third piece that fits really snug in the front. We got the smoothest, this is the smoothest surface we've gotten yet on any of our models. See if it fits into this one. Oh yeah, that fits good. Fits in there. Fits you. Get the front, and then take the back. And there's a fourth piece I want to add to it for the battery pack. Oh my God.